Hello and welcome to Let's Food and Barbecue. Time to make some pulled pork. I've got a pork shoulder here. It's about 4.5 pounds. It's boneless and it's pre-trimmed. But I'm gonna unwrap it and then I'm gonna season it with an SPG, garlic and pepper from Spice Classics to get a little bit of saltiness, and then grill it Italia, which is almost like a porchetta rub. Anyway, take a look, and then I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it on the flower pot grill, so hopefully I will be able to keep temperatures pretty steady today. I'll show you how I set it up in a second. Okay, so first off I put the charcoal basket in the bottom. I add a couple of pieces of plum wood today that I'm mixing with the briquettes, and then of course lighting it. And then I've got the tamale bottom fastened to the grate, and I'm going to be using a pizza plate that I cover in foil and I put under a aluminum pan, and then adding that to the grill. This is going to give extra heat, of course. And then, as I said, time to season the pulled pork or the pork shoulder. I'm just checking to see if there is anything to trim, and there are a few pieces of hard fat, but most of it is actually removed before I even open this. I'm not going to be using any binder. I'm just going to let the moisture on the meat make the spices stick. So first the Grill Italia, which is a really good, like I said, porchetta like rub, and then the SPG from Spice Classics. Seasoning both sides, of course, and then it's time to bring it over to the grill, which by now has gotten up to about 225. So okay, there we go. Let's get this on here. Just for show, I'm going to put a thermometer in there. I don't really think I'm going to be following its advice either way. In the middle there, I just want it in there to show me when I'm almost getting it done. As you can see in the pictures, I only used a few. I just lit a little bit of the charcoal, and now I'm going to try to keep the temperatures low because it kind of spiked last time I used it. Okay, so the bottom vent, I'm going to close that almost all the way now. And the top vent, I'm going to leave open for now. Then I might close it down if it doesn't kind of keep the temperature low. Anyway, I'll meet you back in a few hours. Okay, so it's been half an hour and it's actually settled in at 250. So I'm going to try keeping it here. Clear blow smoke. Okay, it's been about, I don't know, 4 hours. And it's time to check this. Oh, it's looking really nice. Oh, I like that. Looks like the bark is, the bark is setting. That's good. I don't like wrapping, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so it's we've been gone a little bit longer than anticipated, so that's what we have. Let's see what we have on the grill. Well, it's got a bark. Feels good. Gonna transfer it to some foil and let it rest for a bit, and then it's time to pull it. I'm just gonna probe it for tenderness. It's like butter. This is gonna be good. And then I'm gonna wrap it in foil and a towel into a cooler and bring it back. There we go. It's been about 45 minutes. You might hear the pitter patter of the rain. I'm so happy we put a roof over our pergola. Oh well. Let's see what we have. There we go. Let's see if we can pull this apart. Yes, we can. This smells really, really nice, and of course it brings us closer to the taste test. So here we are. Okay, there we go. So the low and slow, I think it worked out really well. It kept at 225 to 275 for almost 8 hours, which is really good. And I refilled or added some briquettes about halfway through, just because we were going away. It went a little bit high, 214. I don't know if it was, but it's really well cooked, and I think it's going to be nice frying it, and I'm going to do that now. So let's see what we have. Moist. Yeah. pulled pork. How can you, can't go wrong. I'm gonna try a little bit of the bark as well. That's my favorite part of the whole cook or the whole pulled pork thing is the bark. I really do like that. Anyway, so far the grill is a success. Next time I'm gonna be trying to get it up in temp. So let's see what I can do then. Thank you for watching. Bye.